This morning's Danske Bank Export First event brings us to Armstrong Medical in Coleraine to hear a story about how they have taken a real step change for growth to expand into new markets and to diversify their products. We have about 30 companies with us this morning, all looking to have an interactive session.
We're delighted to have just received recent stats on the programme. As part of Learn, Grow, Excel, we have assisted over 92% of businesses in developing key learnings from the programme. We have assisted over 42% of the attendees in identifying new markets, and we've assisted 33% of attendees in acquiring new customers, and that's really what the programme's all about. Well, I suppose from an export perspective, the free movement of people and goods is very, very important for the Northern Ireland economy. We're exporting 2.7 billion of goods to the south alone annually. We're importing 2.1 billion of goods to the south from the south alone annually. So access to that market, very important. 14 billion of goods going annually to the UK mainland. Access to that market, very important. A hybrid that would give us the benefits of both would be ideal for the business community.
I'm John Armstrong, I'm the Managing Director of Armstrong Medical. We manufacture disposable respiratory products for intensive care and anaesthesia. The company's been going now, well, it's in its 35th year. We export to 63 different countries, and at this stage we have 150 employees. 40 of those employees have been in the past year. We have to recognise that the pressures that there are in the commercial world means that we have to do things differently, and we have to implement step changes, things that we've never done before. Well, regarding Brexit, everyone has their view on that, and from our perspective, from the very start of this, we have concentrated on selling our products to the rest of the world. We have been doing business in Europe now for many, many years. I have to say from our perspective that we haven't found it easy doing business in Europe, and so we're concentrating now more on markets like South America, the Middle East, Russia and Japan.
We do export to the UK and also Republic of Ireland. We are also exporting throughout the whole of Europe, and we're planning to expand over the next coming years as well. At New Print Technologies, we always make sure to go out to events like these. It's great to speak to other businesses and to see what they're doing, and let them know how we're exporting and what we're doing to help our business grow.
My name is Peter Gervin. I work for the Lava Group. We're a software development company. We work in a number of different areas, one being access control, biometrics, but we also look at sensor technology, and we are potentially looking to export lifebuoy sensors and technology across Europe, so it'd be interesting to find out a little bit more about that today. The chamber events are great, I find, because you're talking to like-minded individuals who have maybe been there before. They understand the potential pitfalls, and they can give great advice and direction in terms of how you can progress that side of your business.